Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In today's video, we're going to be making a delicious crawfish mac and cheese. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need elbow noodles, 2 blocks of mild cheddar cheese, 1 block of Colby jack cheese, crawfish tails, 1 stick of butter, plain breadcrumbs, a yellow onion, red, green, and yellow bell peppers, garlic, heavy whipping cream, shrimp and crab boil, all seasoned, cayenne pepper, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. First, boil your noodles for 15 minutes or until tender. While the noodles are boiling, dice 1/2 of yellow onion and 1/2 of each pepper. Also dice 2 cloves of garlic. In a skillet, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sauté veggies for 5 minutes. Next, add garlic and a pack of crawfish tails. Season to taste and add 1 cup full of shrimp and crab boil. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Place the crawfish to the side and in the same skillet add a 1/2 cup of butter. Next, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, stir, and let simmer for 2 minutes. After, add about 2 cups of cheddar cheese and 2 cups of Colby jack cheese. Mix and season to taste and let simmer for 1 minute. Next, add the crawfish to the cheese sauce and mix the cheese sauce into the noodles. Now in a skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Toast the breadcrumbs for 1 minute. Once the breadcrumbs have toasted, place the mac and cheese in a cast iron skillet or a baking dish. Next, garnish the top of the mac and cheese with the leftover cheese and the toasted breadcrumbs. Bake at 350 degrees until the cheese melts. There you have it, crawfish mac and cheese. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to tell everyone you know that them MFers be cooking.